So now here, where the two axes, x-axis and y-axis, intersect each other, then that point known as the origin and coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Now exercise 3.2, question number first. Here write the answer of each of the following. First is, what is the name of the horizontal and vertical lines? Then horizontal line is known as the x axis and vertical line is y axis. Also name of x axis is what? Abscissa. And name of the y axis is what? Ordinate. When we will write the value of abscissa and then value of y after comma, then this represent the coordinate of any point. Now the second part of this question, what is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines x and y axis? Then name of each parts is quadrants. Now the third part of this question, write the name of each of the point where these two lines, write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. The name of the point is what? Origin. Third part is origin. After this, question number second, figure is here. Okay, now here answer of the first part. The coordinate of B is what? In x-axis -5 and y-axis 2. Then second part, coordinate of C in x-axis 5 and y-axis -5. Now the third, the point identified by -3, -5. -3, that means in x-axis -3 and y-axis -5. Then this point represent E. And fourth part, the point identified by the coordinate 2, -4 in x-axis value 2 and y-axis -4, then represent G. 2, -4 and E is represent in this graph -3, -5. And now the fifth part, the abscissa of point D. Abscissa, that means value of x-axis. Abscissa of D is 6. And now the sixth part, ordinate of H. Sixth part, ordinate of point H. Ordinate, that means value of y-axis. Then point here H, value of the y-axis is what? Here -3 for H. That means -3. And seventh part here, the coordinate of the point L, coordinate of point L, and point L lies on the y-axis. Then in y-axis, value of the x will be the 0 and value of y is here 5 for the L. Now the eighth part of this question, the coordinate of the point M lies on the x-axis, then value coordinate is this minus 3 comma 0, because if any point lies on the x-axis, then ordinate will be the 0, and if lies in y-axis, then abscissa will be the 0.